Hello everyone. Would you like to paint this cute little watercolor painting of a pathway going down to the river along with me? Stay with me till the end and let's paint this together. To begin with, I'm painting this on a simple cartridge paper pad, and this is the watercolor palette that I'll be using. These are Camlin artist grade watercolors. You're of course free to use any brand of your choice. The shades that I'm using here are lemon yellow, chrome yellow, yellow ochre, scarlet red, crimson red, burnt sienna, sap green, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, and a little bit of black. Here I have sketched out very lightly the basic line work of the painting that I want to do. It's basically a simple landscape of a pathway leading down to the riverside with some tall trees lining the banks. The river is at a lower level and so not much of it is going to be seen. Only a few distant mountains may be, but basically the tall trees will be more prominently seen. After wetting the sky area, I have introduced the sky colors into this wet surface. I have added the yellows and reds apart from the blues of the sky to indicate the dawn time of the day. Next, I have painted in the trees. This is the first layer and we'll be adding more and more layers later on to add more details and shades. I am painting the trees using the scumbling technique. You will need to know the basic techniques of watercolor painting before you start painting. For that, I have two videos on my channel explaining the various techniques of watercolors. They are in two parts over two videos. The links of the videos are given in the description below. The lower level bushes here are also painted in the same way. We are painting the darker sides of the trees now, taking care of the light direction. For this painting I am assuming the light source coming from the top left side, and so the left sides of the trees and other elements will be in light tones and the right sides will be in dark tones. Let's paint the foreground now, also in the same way. I am painting a meandering pathway in the center going down to the river. These will be the distant trees seen through the tall trees and the bushes below. I am now gradually working on the next layer, introducing more and more shadings and detailings. For some of the areas, your stroke work is very important. For example, here while I am painting the pathway, I am using quick horizontal strokes which will indicate the ground of the path in a very nice fashion. We simply add more and more layers now with more and more detailings until we get the desired result. Now with a very fine brush I am adding the trunks, the branches and the twigs of the trees. With the same fine brush, let's give some grass effect on the ground. And some pebbles on the pathway. And that's it, our painting is done. Did you like the video? If you did, please give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and do share it with your friends. And also, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notifications of future videos. You may also leave your comments below and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Also click on the end screens here to watch other videos. So see you in the next one.